Shall we begin? Let's begin now.
Hey guys, what is up? It's your boy Teddy here and welcome back to my weekly B-Boy tutorial. And today I will teach you guys the top rock called the front and back rocks. But before I start, like always, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification icon so whenever there's a new video coming out from this channel, you will get notified. Alright, so without any further ado, let's jump to the tutorial. So for this top rock, we're gonna use 4 counts. The first count, my right leg is gonna be in the front, okay? So this is the first count. Now for the second count, my right leg is gonna swing to the back or kick to the back. But make sure when you kick to the back, it's not really to the back like this, but instead you want to make sure that your right leg is a little bit to the right side while it's on the back, okay? It's not like this, but like this. So in order to do that, make sure that your upper body is kind of lean to the left so that your right leg can help you to bend to the right, okay? It's easier because if you are just staying flat in the middle like this, my body, you can see it's kind of difficult to make my leg go to the right side. Alright, so that's just some tips for you guys to know. Now, after my right leg is going to the back, which is the second count, now for the third count, again, my right leg is going to swing to the front, which is exactly the same like the first count. So we're gonna see how it looks from the first count to the third count. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so now we're gonna switch from right leg to left leg, and the count is gonna be, it's not the 4 count, instead is the end count. Okay, so it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright, so at the end count, okay, you're gonna switch from your right leg to your left leg. Cool. For the last count, which is the 4th count, you're gonna swing your left leg to the back. Now let's start from the very first count. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3, and 4. After getting all the count and the move down, now I want you guys to add in a jump on each count. So it looks something like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright, each hop or each jump on each count. All the way from the top, we're gonna do this very slow and then we're gonna speed it up. Okay? And remember to add in a jump on each count. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3.
Shall we begin? Let's begin now.
For the hand part, you can do whichever style you want. You can place it on your head, which I always do, you know, I'll place it on my head, or you can place it on your hip to do the move. Looks more confident. So there's an endless way to do this move. Alright, so just do it with your own way and your creativity. That's it for the front and back rocks. I just put out a few top rock tutorial lesson as well, so you can check that out. That's about it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time.